Clement's Family Farm. I keep getting questions all the time. What is Clement's Family Farm? We are a small homestead on 15 acres in the Central Coast, California. But we do a lot of different things, from garden, we have an orchard, we have an art gallery, which we're in right now. I'm going to show you some pictures of what we do. It's kind of through the course of the year. Right now is not the best time of year because we're just starting everything. As you can see, we've got dragon heads, we've got jams, honey, because we're beekeepers. It's just me and my wife and my daughter, just trying to grow food for ourselves, and then maybe a little bit for friends and family. But we do a lot of interesting things here. So I'll show you some pictures coming up, because almost everything that we do, we're going to do some how-to videos. That's going to be coming up in our Clement's Family Farm channel on YouTube and Facebook. So stay tuned for that. If you want to see those videos, subscribe and like. And then I think there's a notification button you can click on, so when we post them, you'll get notified. But there'll be some interesting stuff. Just like the dragons here, I'm going to go into details with those. Some of the gardening, the vanilla stuff, the jams, jellies, homemade liqueur. It's a bestseller. But anyway, enjoy the rest of the video. Watch it to the end, and like and subscribe. Thanks.